Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Walzel Properties, and I am here at this week's Showcase Home of the Week. This is the cutest house. You have to come check it out at their open house this Sunday from 1 to 3. It's located at 1502 Alston Street. It's Unit C. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,269 square feet. And guys, it is the cutest little house. And the best part is they've reduced the price from $319 to $309. This is a fantastic deal. Let's check out this house. Okay guys, this week I'm starting out in the courtyard just so you can see this cute little courtyard that's in front of the home. You're going to come into the home. The first bedroom is on the first floor. As soon as you enter, you also have your entrance to your garage right here, and the other door is storage. So you're going to come into this nice sized bedroom. It has a nice sized closet as well. And then you have the ensuite bathroom, double sinks, and with the shower there. Then you come up to the second floor, and on the second floor you have your living room space. It's bright light with a huge window, and then you have your kitchen here, granite countertops, electric stove, great skylight that just really shows a lot of light, makes the kitchen look really bright. Then you walk down the hall. There's 2 entrances to the bathroom so that your guest has access to it as well. You have the bathtub with shower stall, and then you have a nice size master bedroom. Really cute closet space. This is just the cutest little starter home. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, $309, perfect location. You can walk to everything here. You need to come check this house out this Sunday from 1 to 3 during their open house. Okay guys, is that the cutest house or what? I love the courtyard in front. Come out this Sunday from 1 to 3. Check it out. And remember, the best part of this home is they've lowered the price to $309,000. You can't beat it. You can walk to everything. You're right in the Heights. You're in a great location. My information will be at the end of this video. Also, don't forget we have the interactive link below in the content that lets you see where all the open houses are going on this weekend in the Heights. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see this home or any other homes, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I'll see you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.